Welcome back to our channel, and today we will show you how we face paint
a butterfly.
For the butterfly, I'm going to use these pretty colors from Craze Palette. We're gonna work with whatever is left there. With the sponge. As you can tell, I love these colors. Adriana, close your eyes, please. Okay. Keep your eyes closed, please, okay? Good job. So it's a bit too wet.
It's cold.
Mm-hmm. Let's do another side. Oh, other side. This. Okay. Just tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap in the middle. Okay, good job. A little here on the cheeks. Nice. We blended it so nicely. Okay. I'm gonna grab a Q-tip. Dip it in the water. We're gonna clean up over here. Now I'm going to grab purple. I have an angle brush, flat angle brush. So this one.
I like butterflies.
Yeah, they're so pretty.
And Elsa.
And Elsa is very beautiful too.
And no pretty princesses and dogs.
Let's do on the other side. Now we're going to paint this part in the middle. Or maybe grab a different brush.
A tiny one?
Pointy one.
Well, I know
Maybe.
that.
Well, it's a little easier to paint with that. Close your eyes, please, Adriana. I'm gonna add some glitter. Get extra off. Alright, next step will be white. Add some details. Your little highlights here. We can add couple dots with a round brush.
After this, we can go to our we go trampoline park. It's gonna be so much fun.
Yes. How about lipstick? Okay.
What is that? Long eyelashes.
Here.
You wanna use black?
I want to use pink. You want to use pink for the lipstick? Beautiful.
What about the eyelashes?
No, we don't need eyelashes, but we do need the shiny glitter. Which one would you like?
The lovely ones here.
We put on our cheeks.
I like glitter.
It is so shiny.
And I like a ballerina.
Yeah. And now butterfly is ready. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Where's the ballerina? Who's a ballerina?
Ballerina is a dancer that can dance.
Where
so
is
beautifully.
she?
In the ballet.
No.
No, where is she? Here? Where is she? You're a ballerina? All right. Yes.